Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to cover topic number 1.3.5 Associativity of Multiplication. We have discussed that integers are associative under addition. That means if we take three integers a, b and c are integers, that is from 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 and so on, we can prove the statement that is a plus b plus c equals to a plus b plus c. This is the associative property under addition. Let's take one simple example. Let's take a equals to 2, b equals to minus 3, c equals to minus 4. We have bracket a and b on left side. We have bracket on b and c on right side. So a is 2 plus b is minus 3 and c is minus 4. Let us solve LHS first. Take the square bracket first, that is 2 plus minus 3 plus into minus is minus, that is 2 minus 3 plus into minus is minus, we have minus 4. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus 4 equals to minus 5 on LHS. Now solve for RHS, that is minus 3 plus into minus is minus, we have minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. We have 2 plus minus 7 plus into minus is minus. So we have 2 minus 7, that is equals to minus 5. We have discussed the addition and subtraction over integers in lecture number 1 in detail. So we can take any three integers a, b and c and this property will be satisfied. What we check in associative property is we are shifting the bracket and final result, that is final answer, should not change. Now let's discuss associative property under multiplication. We will check the same, that is a into b into c equals to a into b into c. Does this statement satisfy for integers a, b and c or not? We have to take a, b and c from integers, that is 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 and so on, and we have to check does integer satisfy this property or not. Let's take two examples, that is 2 into minus 3 into 4 equals to 2 into minus 3 into 4. We have a equals to 2, b equals to minus 3, c equals to 4. And let's take one more example. Minus 5 into 6 into minus 7 equals to minus 5a into b is 6 into c is minus 7. Now let's solve for LHS. We have LHS equals to 2 into minus 3 into 4 equals to 2 into minus 3. We have plus into minus is minus, and 2 into 3 is 6 into 4, that is equals to plus into minus is minus, and 6 4 the 24 on left hand side. We have RHS equals to 2 into minus 3 into 4, that is equals to 2 into minus 12, that is equals to minus 24, which is equals to LHS. Hence statement is true. Now let's solve for next example. We have LHS equals to minus 5 into 6 into minus 7, minus into plus is minus, 5 6 are 30 into minus 7. We have minus into minus is plus, 2 1 0 on left hand side. We have right hand side equals to minus 5 into 6 into minus 7, that is equals to minus 5 into plus into minus is minus, 6 7s are 42, and we have minus into minus is plus, and 42 5s are 210, which is equals to LHS. So hence statement is true. We can take any three integers a, b, and c, and this condition will be satisfied. Hence, we can say that integers are associative under multiplication. Now let's check the theory. They have taken one example. that is a equals to minus 3, b equals to minus 2, c equals to 5. They have checked the LHS, that is minus into minus is plus, 3 into 2 is 6, we have 6 into 5 equals to 30. Then right hand side, that is a into in bracket b into c, they have plus into minus is minus, and 5 into 2 is 10, into minus 3, and minus into minus is plus, 3 into 10 is 30, that is LHS equals to RHS. And now complete this task, that is a into b into c equals to minus into plus is minus, and 6 7 ja 42, and minus into plus is minus, and 4 2 is 8, 4 4 is 16, 168. Now we have minus into plus, that is minus, and 6 4 is 24, and 7 into 24 equals to 7 4 is 28, and 7 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16, and we have plus into minus is minus, so we have LHS equals to RHS. This is true. And in general, we can say that for any three integers a, b, and c, that is, we can select a, b, and c from 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and so on. The associative property, that is a into b into c equals to a into b into c, will be true for every integer a, b, and c. In next lecture, we will discuss topic number 1.3.6, distributive property. Thank you.